Hey there, all. Welcome, all of you. In the earlier topic, if you haven't understood why you are suffering from depression or anxiety, here is the link. Go and check it out. Now, today we'll be talking about most important. The thing is why we suffer from anxiety. Look, when we have anxiety, the very first thought that comes to your mind is that something is bad for you. Something is bad in you. Some situation is bad regarding you. Or you may somehow realize that something is lacking in you. You know what? This is the most important part. Means in the time in the meanwhile you somewhere realize that you are not worthy, or you are this is the main this most important part where I want to stress the fact that at some point in your life you have assumed that there is something missing in you. You are lacking something. That is the foundation of anxiety. That is the foundation of anxiety. Means you have realized that something is lacking in you. Now the question arises, why do we think that something is lacking in you? And if there is, suppose if we say that something is lacking in you, what does it results in? Right? This is the fact. If you realize that something is lacking in you, or you are missing something, maybe you don't have any idea what that is, but at this point you have realized that you are somewhere, you are lacking something. Now, this the whole point of anxiety, the whole foundation of your anxiety is based on this particular fact that you feel weakness. When you realize that you are lacking something, you feel weakness. Am I right? You feel weakness. And then you realize that you are worthy of humiliation, worthy of unlovedness. Yeah, you can say you are not worthy of good in your life. All these things are based on the fact that you are lacking something. Then you need to ask yourself, what are the things that you assume? Look at the term. What are the things that you assume that you are lacking? In the meantime, what we have to do is we'll be talking about from where did this lacking of things, lacking of certain aspects in your life came from. So to watch it, to understand what this thing is all about and what is all this thing is going to lead to, we'll be discussing something very important with it, which is self-image. So if you like this video, if you really appreciated the content, I would like you to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe this channel so that others may get help from us. At the same time, we'll be talking about self-image. Here is the link. Go for the self-image. It will be in parts. Please do check it out. This will definitely help you out and will make you realize, make you understand that something that we are talking about that you are lacking is not the thing that you are lacking. Cope with us. I assume this helped you out. Please subscribe this channel and share. Thank you so much.